Now look into the next one. Alok Private Limited. Alok Private Limited, a registered manufacturer, sent steel cabinets worth rupees 50 lakhs under a delivery challan to Messrs. Prem Tools. Under a delivery challan to Prem Tools, a registered job worker for work on 28/1/2021. The scope of the job work included mounting the steel cabinets on a metal frame and sending the mounted panels back to Alok Private Limited. Metal frame is to be supplied by Messrs. Prem Tools. Messrs. Prem Tools has agreed to a consideration of 5 lakhs, the entire mounting activity including the supply of metal frame. During the course of mounting activity, metal waste is generated, which should be Messrs. Prem Tools, which is sold by Messrs. Prem Tools for rupees 45,000. Messrs. Prem Tools sent the steel cabinets mounted on the metal frame of Alok Private Limited on 3/12. What is the time limit within which the goods should be sent back from the date when it is sent to the job worker? What is the date on which it is sent to the job worker? 28/1/2021. And the goods are returned on 3/12/2021 within 1 year. Now, in this case, the supplier is not required to pay any GST on the goods which are sent to the job work. Okay. Whereas, if the goods are not brought back within 1 year, on expiry of 1 year, the supplier should deem it as supply. That is, whatever is sent to the job worker should be deemed as supply and applicable GST is payable on those goods. Okay. So now in this case, it is returned within 1 year. So the supplier is not required to pay any GST. Assuming GST rate for metal frame as 28%, for metal waste as 12% and standard rate for service as 18%, you are required to compute GST liability of Messrs. Prem Tools. Also give reasons for inclusion or exclusion of the value of cabinets in the job charges for the purpose of payment of GST by Messrs. Prem Tools. So now in this case, actually what they are doing the job work, plus they are also giving the metal tools. So but what will be taken as the principal supply here? The principal supply is the job work only. So therefore it will be treated as supply of services. So supply of services, what is the rate applicable for supply of services? So 18%. So on that, at the rate of 18%, they need to pay GST. Okay. So what is the job charges? 5 lakhs. So 18%. Then what about metal waste? Metal waste they are selling separately. What is the rate applicable to metal waste? 12%. So that should be taken for payment of GST, the 12% on metal waste. Okay. So that is with respect to this here. So this question is mainly to determine in case of job work. Job work means what? Carrying out process on the goods belonging to other person, and in the case of job work, the rate applicable to the service only should be taken, even though some of the material is supplied in the job work. So that material is also part of the job work, so composite supply. So we will take the rate applicable to the job work only. Okay.